Hi everybody, and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we're making a super simple, super easy craft to give your doll some technology. Today we're going to be making doll iPads, even though this is really, I guess, more the size of a doll laptop, out of a printable and cardboard. So all that you need to make this craft is cardboard, the iPad printable, glue, and scissors. So if you're gonna make and take kit, you'll get the printable, you'll get a piece of cardboard cut to the right size. You will have to provide the glue, but no scissors for you. Well, yes, you will need scissors because you'll have to cut out the iPad printable, but you won't have to cut out the cardboard, which is the hardest part, so that's good. So all that there is to this, if you don't get a make and take it and you do this at home, is to print out the attached iPad printable from the children's department site, cut it out, use either the front or the back piece, it doesn't matter, trace it onto a piece of cardboard, cut out that piece of cardboard, and glue the front and the back pieces of the iPad to both sides of the cardboard, and you are done. It's really that simple, and you can make a lot of things for your dolls this simply, just using cardboard and printables, and there's tons of printables all over the internet. So if you or anybody at home has Pinterest, go on there. You can make tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of stuff for your dolls just that way. So although this is very short, this is all I've got for you for today. Let me know what other printables or like these kinds of things you would like to see and like to make for your dolls in American Girl Afternoon, so we can make more fun ones. But that is all. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you back here next time, and have a great day.